Hello friends, welcome to Clipping Amazon Photoshop tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to create realistic snow effect. Let's go ahead and open Photoshop and then the image. Take a new layer. Then we are going to do is to press D on our keyboard. We need black and white as the foreground and background color. After that we will fill it with black by pressing Alt plus Backspace. Then we would go to Filter, Noise and Add Noise. For the amount we will put 100% and Gaussian in the distribution, and monochromatic is checked, and press OK. Next press X on keyboard because we need white as a foreground color. Also we can click on this double arrow in here and this will flip. Then go to Filter and then Filter Gallery. Open the Sketch folder and choose Tone Edges. Zoom a little bit. For the image balance, I'm gonna put 6 and keep the smoothness set to 10 and 20 in the contrast and press OK. We can see this will change our noise to these very tiny dots that we are gonna use as a snow. Now double click on this layer to open the layer style window. We're going to use the blending if to remove the black and keep only the white dots. So to do that, we are gonna take the bar slider from the black and put it into the right. It's around 30 in here, and then press Alt and click just middle of this bar. It will split into two and I will move the right part until on 20. Press OK. Now you can see there are some tiny dots but some are grey. We need to fill this with white. So for it, take a new layer and make this 2-layer active and press Ctrl plus E. We actually merged the 2 layers into one. Now double click on this layer and open layer style window. Go to color window. The blending mode is normal and the color must be white. Press OK. We are gonna take a new layer again and also going to merge these 2 layers. Now give a name of this layer and then I'm gonna give it a little blur. So go to Filter and Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Put 0.5 pixel radius in here and press OK. Now make a copy of it. For it, press Ctrl plus J. Now make it a little bigger. For it, open the transparent tool by pressing Ctrl plus T and the top of the Photoshop. Here is height and width. Change it to 300%. We can see it gets bigger than before. Now go to Filter and then Sharpen and then Unsharpen Mask All. Here put amount 500 and radius 0.8 pixels. Go to Filter again and then Distort and Wave. And for the number of generators, put 20 and the wavelengths minimum 230 and maximum 231. Amplitude minimum 1 and maximum 3. And scale is 100 for horizontal and vertical. The type sets to rectangle and undefined areas set to repeated edges. Feel free to do experiment for better result. Press OK. Now we can see this will change the direction of the snow a little bit. Now we also make a copy of this layer, but this time we are going to copy the effects that we use here. So for it, press Ctrl plus A and Ctrl plus J. This will make a copy of whole canvas. Now make the layer bigger 300% again like the before. Also again choose the wave effect. So for it, go to Filter, Distort and Wave. Keep all set same. Press OK. It will make the look little bit different now. Then make another copy of this layer 3 by pressing Ctrl plus J. This time also open transparent tool but put minus 200% in height and width. Now click the check mark and look, the direction is changed. Now another last copy of this layer gonna use. This time also press Ctrl plus A and then Ctrl plus J. Now To make this little bigger, put 200%. Then make it a little blur. So, go to Filter, Blur and the Box Blur. It will give the photo a real-like effect. I'll take 2 or 3 pixel radius in here. Press OK. Now go to Snow 5 layer and give it a little sharpen effect. So for it, go to Filter, Sharpen and then Unsharpen Mask All. We will keep 500 amount, but for radius, change it to 1.5 pixel radius. Press OK. Now keep pressing Shift and click on layer 5 and the layer 1 to select all layers and then make them a group by clicking on Ctrl+J. The realistic snow effect is done. If you think this video is helpful for you, then do like and subscribe to our channel. For more updates, feel free to visit our website www.clippingamazon.com. Thanks for watching.